Hey, what's good, everybody? It's Izuku here. We just got off of work and I'm low-key hungry as hell, but I just wanted to show you guys what my protein smoothie was, or protein shake. One of my viewers by the name of, let's get his name out real quick. So, a viewer by the name of Tropical Stink, he said, "You did a good job covering everything on my weight loss video." He asked if I could put out like a meal or a smoothie guide video too. So, I thought that was a pretty good idea. So, shout out to Tropical Stink for this video idea. I'm going to be showing you guys, like I said, what I add as like a supplement to my meal. And then I also got like a bonus video right after that's going to play, that's going to show you guys the type of stuff that I buy in the grocery store, so you guys could kind of mimic it. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead. I got my $20 blender right here. I've had this since I was like 18 when I moved out on my own, and it's still kicking, it's still running. It's barely just like, I'm barely starting to have issues like the cup, but for $20, you can get yourself a blender. This is all affordable. There's no excuses on why you can't have like your own protein smoothies or shakes or whatever. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first step is you guys are gonna want to pick a fruit. I usually just go to the store. I get frozen fruit. You can use fresh fruit, but the reason why you want to use frozen fruit is because I'll tell you why. When you use ice and fresh fruit, it's gonna get watery, and then the smoothie's gonna lose a bit of flavor if you're using fresh fruit and ice. So I choose to use frozen fruit. You could buy your own fruit and freeze it if you want, but because it's frozen, when it blends down, it's gonna be more of like a better texture. It's not gonna be watery. It's not gonna be lacking taste. It's gonna be actually pretty fucking delicious. But this is a mango berry, so it's just got like strawberries, blueberries, mangoes in it. I like strawberries, blueberries, and then like a more of a sweeter fruit after that, you know, like a mango, pineapple, or a banana. Bananas would be like the only fresh fruit I would probably use in any of my smoothies because they last a bit longer. Tried strawberries, they go out too long. Blueberries last like a while, so like I could use fresh blueberries if I wanted to. I've like experimented with that, but what I found best is just frozen berry mix. You can get just mixed berries. This one has like raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, and shit like that. It's a little bit tart for me, but you know, everybody has their own preferences on taste. So like I said, we're gonna go with the mango berry one. If you want to add some fresh fruit, you know, go buy a banana. Go like buy some ripe bananas. Keep them up on top of the fridge. You know, whenever you make a smoothie, use like a half of it. But the first step is just grab some berries. I wash my hands, guys. Don't worry. Before you guys start blaming me in the comments, I did wash my hands. Alright. So that's about good enough fruit for now. If you need to add more, you could always just open up the fucking lid and add more, but oh shit, there's a bunch of stuff on me. But the next step is milk. So I choose to get some almond milk, almond breeze, whatever the fuck you want to call it. You can use oat milk. You can use coconut milk. You can use any type of milk you want. Here, I even got some regular milk right here to show you guys, but you can literally just use regular milk. I don't personally like dairy. I just didn't grow up on it for some reason. My dad didn't like buy it in the house, but we're gonna put some almond milk in the smoothie next. Now, I am on a bulk, guys, so if you are like trying to lose weight or you want this smoothie to be healthier, go for the almond milk that's unsweetened, or you know, the oat milk that's unsweetened, or the coconut milk that's unsweetened if you are trying to lose weight. I'm on a bulk, so like a little bit of sugar in the milk isn't gonna hurt me, and the extra calories does help. So just putting that out there as like a quick disclaimer for y'all. So, and let me get all this shit out the way. And like I said, I may need to add more milk or fruit throughout the process of this. You could always just take the lid off and just make it to your texture or liking or whatever the hell you guys like. So my next step, it's not really like a step, but the first two items always have to be the fruit, then the milk. I don't put my protein powder in first. It gets all like chunky at the bottom, kind of fucks up. But the next ingredient is oats. Now these are steel cut oats. I really do not recommend these, but I really like my oats in my smoothie, so I'm using what I got. So, you know, I just pop the lid open. Go ahead, grab yourself a spoon. nice spoon right here. Go ahead. So like I said, I do not recommend still cut oats. They're like kind of just a bit too hard and small for smoothies. But if your smoothie sits for like just like 5 minutes or some shit, it low-key like gets like soft. Like you ever see the videos where the people be making oatmeal, putting it in the fridge, and then it's like an overnight thing. It's kind of the same thing with this. It kind of gives like that texture or whatever. The next ingredient, I'm on a bulk. So you guys probably shouldn't be adding peanut butter if you're trying to lose weight or whatever the hell. If you want like a little bit more sweetness or flavor, I'd suggest almond butter instead of peanut butter. But like I said, I'm on a bulk right now. I could give a fuck less about a little bit of extra sugar in my diet, but yeah, we're just gonna get a scoop of peanut butter. This one's crunchy, but it doesn't matter. It's gonna get blended up. So yeah, just get a pretty good spoonful of that. Maybe give the rest of the dog, lick it off yourself. So, oh shit, I'm trying to figure out where to put this damn spoon. So there is a max fill line. Try not to go above it or else you will kind of fuck up your cup or it'll like just explode. Probably one of the most important ingredients. The next ingredient is protein. So you can just get like some regular protein. This one's a bit like kind of really expensive. I liked it because it didn't have any soy. I usually just look for shit that doesn't have soy. I don't like soy in my diet, guys. But yeah, Ascent, whey vanilla. I like the vanilla flavor. This is a strawberry just from like just the local supermarket. Like I said, you don't have to buy the expensive shit. This shit will work too. Me personally, I just look for anything that didn't have soy. This fit fit the profile I was looking for. It has 26 grams like in the total packet, but protein's 18 grams. So that means 8 out of the 26 grams in this protein packet isn't protein, so it's a little bit lower quality as compared to this. This is like, this shit right here is 31 grams of protein per scoop, but there's 25 grams of protein in it. So that's only 6 grams of protein per scoop. That's not protein. So this is the higher quality one. Little information if you guys didn't know, by the way, but oh yeah, I didn't even add it in. So just open the shit up. All you do is just 1 scoop. That's what the instructions say. Because like I said, this is a supplement to like your breakfast. So, like I'll have like 3-4 eggs, a couple slices of bacon, some tortillas, and then before I head out to the gym, I'll usually just make a protein shake, or after I get back from the gym, either one. It doesn't really matter. But this is gonna make sure that I just get my protein intake for the day, so I can build the muscles that you guys saw like on the thumbnail on that weight loss video. You know, if you want to build muscles, you got to get your protein. Like I said, I'm on a bulk, so don't be eating peanut butter and shit like that. But without further ado, that's kind of just mostly the shake. I think I might just add a little bit more milk to this, or almond milk, not regular milk. And then after that, you just get her on. And then without further ado, you want to go ahead and zoom in on the blender cup real quick a little bit. You could just kind of, you should be able to. Give me a thumbs up when we're good. All right, guys, we're gonna blender montage in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so we're all done. Got the smoothie right here. Pretty nice texture from what I could tell. Let me go to get this lid off and grab a straw real quick. Alright, so got our finished product right here. Total macros, I don't fucking know. Like I said, it's got protein in it, that's all I can say. And it's got a bunch of fruit in it, so it's healthy. It's got your vitamins and shit, so I think it's better than buying like just like a regular protein shake off of the fucking market. That one's probably processed and stuff if you look at the ingredients. This literally had the ingredients of mangoes, strawberries, wild blueberries, whatever's in the protein powder, almond milk, some oats, and some peanut butter. But that's the ingredients. So if you guys want to have like a good protein, healthy protein shake, supplement, whatever the fuck you want to call it, to have with your workout meal, go ahead and make this. Tastes pretty good. You could adjust the flavor to whatever you want by whatever fruit you add. I could drink these all day. But other than that, here in a few seconds, I'm going to show you guys a video of just like, I took this out like a couple of days ago at the grocery store. Just going to show you guys the type of stuff that I buy at the grocery store that like allows me to be more healthier, you know, not overweight, not high body fat percentage. But hope you guys enjoyed the video and stuff like that. This shit's really fucking good. Guys, go make one of these. Let me know what you think in the fucking comments. Drop a like on my video if you guys want to see more stuff like this. And without further ado, in 3, 2, 1, we're gonna cut to the next video.
Hey, what's good, everybody? It's Izuku here. We up at the supermarket and shit. I just wanted to show y'all my cart to kind of show y'all what like kind of stuff y'all should be buying when you shopping and shit. So we'll start up here. See, basically we got real simple ingredients. You just got tortillas, bread, butter, eggs. Right here we got like chicken thighs, chicken legs, chicken breast, some beef, tomato sauce, spaghetti noodle and fettuccine, I don't know how to pronounce that. Some spaghetti sauce, some veggies and shit, you know, bell peppers, tomatoes, gotta get your onions. This is probably like the only processed thing in my basket because I like to have dumplings whenever I have like fried rice and shit. But you know, rice, potatoes, we got some cheese right there. But yeah, we got some tortillas too. But you guys basically get it. Jalapenos. Just try to keep your ingredients as simple as possible. Like you want to be putting the ingredients together to make the food. You don't want the food to come pre-made like this shit. Like it has a whole ass ingredient list. Tofu, see, look, I didn't even know that. Oh damn, I should have soybean in there. I'll have to put this shit back now, bro. Sad days.
Alright guys, just one last time. I hope you enjoyed the video and let me know how this fucking smoothie is. This shit is fire. Fuck yeah. Alright guys, I'll catch you up later. Do something productive today and peace out.